Okay, as we talked about in class today, if we calculate the Earth's mass given the acceleration due to gravity at the North Pole is 9.83 meters per second squared, and the radius of the Earth is 6,371 kilometers from the pole to the Earth. If you'll go ahead and look, I've already got a lot of the calculations already drawn out here. It tells me that the gravity is this, and it tells me that the radius is 6,371 kilometers. Well, I know the universal gravitational constant is here, and I know the formula that I need to worry about is right here. So let's go ahead and plug in. I need 9.83 is equal to 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. And I am looking for the mass, so I don't know that, but I know the radius is 6,371 kilometers. But remember, this is in meters, so I have to convert this to meters, so I should get 6,371 and then 3 zeros. So I get 6,371,123. I added 1 to me there. Hang on just a second. So I should get 6,371,000 meters. So then if you go through and play everything out, and you do the correct calculations, you should get that the Earth's mass is roughly 5.97 times 10 to the 24th powers. And if you cancel everything out, you shouldn't end up with roughly kilograms. So let's look. Okay, don't want to forget that I have to square this. Hang on one second. In order to get this answer. So on the second one that we had some issues with, calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth. Well, if I look, this is my meters, this is my radius. I'm going to use something similar to this formula. If I go through and set it all up, I don't know the gravity, but I do know it's 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th, which is equal to the mass, which is it's multiplied times 1.988 times 10 to the 30th over 6.95 times 10 to the 8th squared. So once you calculate all this out, I'm going to multiply these two and divide by this one. You should have ended up somewhere roughly around 273.95 meters per second, or 274 meters per second squared is the gravity on the sun. We are roughly 28 times 9.8 meters per second squared. The gravity of the sun is roughly 28 times more than the gravity on the Earth.